Are you ready for a woolly fun adventure? This week is your show. If you love felted animals from elephants to giraffes and tigers, stay tuned and get inspired with this week's felted creations.
Hi, I'm Julia.
I'm Marie.
I'm Amelia.
I'm Emily.
Happy Woolly Wednesday!
Hi, we're here to take you on a felted safari this week.
And we're also going to take a trip to the jungle.
Be sure and say hello over in the live chat or comment down below if you're watching the replay. We always love to give away prizes.
Yes.
And in fact, I have one right here already.
What is it?
All right, who's it gonna be? Lisa Witowski 5712 says, I love all the projects and you always give me ideas for future projects. Love Woolly Wednesdays.
Aww.
We love it too with you guys.
The fairies are going to send you a little prize. So if you're not in our database for any reason, and we know you already are anyway, but if you do want a prize on the show and you're not in the database, get on over to the website, set up an account so we know where to send your goodies to. And also with us here today is our very funny fairy in the field, Fairy Kayla.
Happy Woolly Wednesday, everybody! Thanks so much for gearing up and joining us for our African safari today. We can't wait to head out to the virtual savannah with you and share all the fabulous goodies we found along our adventure. But before we get started, how about a little fairy funny? So, what do you get if you cross a crocodile with a flower?
What do you get when you cross a crocodile with a flower?
I don't know, but I'm not going to smell it. Thanks so much, everyone. Have tons of fun, and I'll see y'all again next week.
Good thinking, Kayla.
Maybe not the prettiest joke, but I know you guys are going to have some great creations to show us.
Let's check them out. This is our felt safari. So inspired. God, look at the coat on that thing. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Is that a hyena?
I think so.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So beautiful. And I love the vulture.
Mm-hmm. It looks like a scene out of The Lion King.
That's
Wow.
exactly what I was thinking.
So realistic. And look how cute the little meerkat. She nailed it.
She
She
did
did.
such
She really
a good
nailed it.
job.
That's so sweet.
I love those.
Oh my God.
I feel like he has such a personality. Both of these guys
Yeah.
have such a personality.
One's a prancer and the other one I'd be a little afraid of. Maybe. Can you guess which one? God, they're so pretty though.
They're really well done.
Yeah.
Really
I
that
love those
mane.
wispy feathers.
Yeah.
Bird.
Mm-hmm. And stripes take patience, y'all.
Oh,
No kidding.
yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that mane.
He is so well
Majestic.
felted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that is a great use for the New Zealand or merino blend with New Zealand for sure. Your wild and tame hair and mane packs for
Yeah,
sure.
All those fur colors.
And isn't that a beautiful giraffe? I've always wanted to make one and I've never tackled it.
Huh.
I love the background as well. It really makes the whole piece pop.
Yeah, it's like whimsical though too. Oh, look at that. Now, elephants are very loyal to their family. Y'all know this, right? So sweet to see an elephant family.
It's really precious. And Carol's piece, wow.
Yeah, that must have
So
taken
regal.
a lot of patience too. Like I love all the added details, and he's just really well felted.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at the colors.
I want to know how big Irina's is.
Right.
It looks big. to
It
me.
does,
Those
you're right.
eyes.
Mhm.
So expressive.
And Carolyn's, look how cute he is.
All those little claws.
I love the claws. I think they're so cute.
He looks sleepy. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Julie never shies away from something large and furry. Right, Julie? That's such a beautiful coat.
I'm
Oh my
interested in
gosh.
those horns too. I'm
Yeah.
really curious. How she made
Janice,
those.
look at
Right? Janice is so playful and like it's so funny just the animals stacked on top of each other.
You know, Genesis pieces always have like some kind of story to them. They're so great.
wow.
I
My
know.
goodness.
Now, Megan is a true student of her craft. Yeah. Beautiful,
It
beautiful
looks
piece.
really soft. I want to pet it.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
love the blending of those
Yeah,
colors.
So realistic.
And Loki, that elephant, another great job on an elephant.
So sweet.
I love the blue hues that are kind of coming through in that gray.
Yeah.
I think that was a nice choice.
Great job, y'all. It's prize intermission. So we told you guys that today is both safari and jungle, and so we're gonna jam pack it with as much inspiration as we can. But before we go to the jungle, who's got our prize?
I think I
Oh, yay! Now remember, all the prizes come from, we are going to give away a live chat winner. So if you're in the live chat, someone's going to win during the live chat today. But comment down below, even if you've been in the live chat. Let feedback of these beautiful artworks that we're looking at here. Maybe tell us about your favorite safari or jungle piece that you've made. Always an opportunity to win. So.
Who's it gonna be?
Our winner today is Sandra McDonald, 4807.
Sandra!
She says, all the projects are so amazing. I love the summer colors. So many great projects. Now I just need to get to creating something.
Very relatable.
Good plan. Well, the fairies are going to send you something to get creating
Yes.
with. It's always so fun for us to see everything y'all make. So let's go on our next adventure. Are y'all ready to be so inspired in the jungle?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Starting off with a bang with both of these pieces.
I can't imagine how long it took to do all those spots.
Oh my gosh.
And all those feathers too. I mean, like what is that called? Their throat when it has all those.
Oh.
Oh, I don't know.
That's so
But-
detailed.
You're right. Both were a labor of love.
Mm-hmm. Aw, Jenny. You're so cute.
That is a darling panda.
And Linda, it looks like the tiger really reminds me of our felting tutorials.
Right.
Pinback tiger. And then all of these other guys to join him are just so cute and creative.
Yeah, I would buy one if I
Yeah.
saw them at a show.
I really
Or if they're
that
like
one.
a magnet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look like they're on something metal, so maybe they are.
Oh, yeah.
I agree.
Yeah, they're so cute. I like their little eyeballs.
Whoa.
Look at that.
He's so cute.
I love his hair.
Yeah.
Now, what kind of bird is that? Do y'all
I
know?
have no idea.
I feel like I've seen a bird like that, but I couldn't name it.
Yeah, one interesting bird. And then these toucans by Sandra. Now, these do look like they're based on Sonia's class, don't they?
Yeah, the macaws.
On the macaw's class.
Yeah.
And Sandy Atkins made the llama that we have out there on the floor.
Oh, we love
Yeah.
that llama.
Uh-huh.
Thank you, Sandra.
I also have a piece in my home that she made too. Yep, I do. A heron.
Oh.
Yeah,
I love
very
all that
talented.
texture.
Yeah.
So fun.
Yeah.
These are great. Oh, look.
Whoa.
There he is. Nice job on the sloth, Judy. Looks so good.
Oh,
I'm
so
stuck over
cute.
here with these birds.
Are you? Now, what are these birds called?
Another one that I feel like I've seen, but I could not tell you the name.
Yeah.
They're
Is
so
it
adorable, though.
kiwis?
Oh, kiwis.
I
Yes,
love
I
the
think you might be
colors.
right.
Yeah, I love the colors too.
They're so cute.
And I love the tree the sloth is on. I think that's a really nice
Yeah,
touch.
nice touch for sure. Hey, there you go.
Chameleon.
Wow.
Yeah, the chameleon. It looks like she put some luster fiber in the background.
Maybe
right?
the chameleon's
Viscose
sliver, it
Yeah.
looks like to me.
Oh, the
Silk
silk
sliver and
You nailed
chameleon.
it. Oh my gosh, and look at that gem.
Oh my goodness.
That's amazing.
I can't tell if it's 2D or 3D. It's just so well done.
Right.
It's looking into my soul.
He wants a banana.
Yeah. Beautiful realism.
Yeah. So sweet. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
What a cute little lizard.
We've been seeing a lot of lizards here, and it's nice to see one felted. and-
So many this
Yeah.
year. Mm-hmm. And
Those
how about the
slippers.
slippers? I know.
Breathtaking,
Yeah.
truly.
And I would hang them on my wall.
I was gonna say they're like too pretty to wear.
Right.
I'd beat those things up in a week, but they're so like little art forms.
Mm.
Maybe you wear them when you go to the slumber party.
Yeah.
Show 'em off.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, Adrian, that's mind blowing.
I love his gesture, very, very intimidating.
Yeah.
He's like
Mhm.
eyes towards you.
Mhm.
He's on the move.
And then on the opposite end, Charlotte's just looks so sweet and cute.
But what a great composition too! Like to go
Uh-huh.
all the way out of the frame with the feathers and have the bird body offset.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Totally agree.
And
Gosh.
it's like pastel.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So inspiring, y'all.
Gosh, it's just always so fun to see all of your beautiful creations.
It really is. We love seeing everything you guys make.
We've got lots of fun goodies to show you here, and for even more goodies, take a look at the link to the episode page down below. This is our New Zealand Studio Pack African Safari. This pack comes with 6 ounces in these beautiful shades, so you'll get about 1 ounce of each color. We really loved this color scheme because it truly reminds us of the African safari, and we think it would be perfect for your next safari-themed critter. New Zealand is a really great fiber because it has a very long staple length. You may call it a sliver, you may call it a roving, but unlike a roving, all of the fibers go in the same direction, which makes this perfect for creating fur or hair on your next creature.
Meet Emerald Forest. This is one of our specialty designer packs that is sure to add any interest, depth, and texture to your next felting project. We love these packs for wet felting, no-no felting, spinning yarn, and even creating a beautiful carded art bat. In this pack, you'll receive some light pre-felt to make your base of your project, a variety of merino tops, silk blends, as well as wool neps and sari silk waist to add some texture to your project, and some silk hankies to create those little squiggle lines, along with some viscose and Angelina. We love this pack for absolutely everything. I've wet felted with it, and we hope you have fun.
We have some fun show and tells to show you from the pack that you just showed us, right?
Emerald Forest.
It's one of my favorites. It's one of the first specialty designer packs we ever made, and we do make those based on how I like to felt, which is just a color texture palette. So show me yours first, because I love this piece.
So I got Emerald Forest, and I wanted to just make like a flat, wet felted piece, and I added a couple of things from my own supplies, like some sari silk ribbon, some Bordeaux sari silk too.
Yeah.
But for the most part, I tried to stick to the Emerald Forest color scheme, and I really liked how it turned out. So I wrapped it around a canvas,
Love
put
that.
on some hardware,
Mhm.
and now I call it a wet felted painting, which is one of my favorite things.
I love it. Yeah.
Yeah, and I think the specialty designers are perfect for it because you get the base, and then
Right.
you get all the fun
The
stuff.
pre-felt base.
Yeah.
And it would be so great. It's like a great color palette for making like a journal cover
Yeah.
or a little wallet or
I
something.
know. I
Yeah.
love this color scheme so
Mhm.
much. I mean, it's the scarf.
I love that application too, when like you maybe don't have a purpose for it, it can just be decorative.
Yeah,
Yeah.
totally. Yeah.
So pretty.
And it's always fun to wet felt, always. So
Yeah,
I think
that's true. Especially flat.
Yeah, I know. Just simple,
Flat,
feels
wet
good
felt.
every
Yeah.
time.
And this is a yarn I made, and it looks just like our Sherwood Forest, but I used more elements from that pack. So hand spinning is really fun, and we do have a few videos on that. Of course, we start with an art bat, and then we spin this into an art yarn. And you can learn how to do this, whether you have your own wheel or you borrow a friend's wheel or even a local guild's wheel. And we do have wheels, and you're welcome to ask us about those, but this is a really fun, isn't it relaxing?
Yeah, I
it's
love
so
spinning.
relaxing. And I think I spun these on the kiwi, but I also love the country spinner.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
beautiful, and you can see like the viscose from the Emerald Forest
Right.
and everything.
All the colors. I
Yeah.
love it. And then I decided to model the scarf. This was made by Patty Barker, and this is a class in the school. Her nanofelt mosaic scarves. You'll learn lots of textures and techniques, and I just think it so fits this color
It
palette.
really does. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's beautiful.
She used our sari silk fabrics and some chiffon or like gauze silk, and you can dye that yourself, and lots of luster fiber. So this is such a fun color palette. We
Yeah.
just wanted to give you some show and tells.
Yeah, have fun.
This elephant is from Bonnie Payne Roberts. She says, I built the body and then left this piece unfinished for 2 years because I felt overwhelmed by the details. But I picked it back up a few weeks ago and finally finished my African elephant. Thank you, Irina Hughes, for sharing your technique and talent.
Wow.
Holy
Gosh,
cow.
I know. What a fantastic job, Bonnie. I mean,
I'm so happy you came back to it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Sometimes distance from a project makes you want to work on it more, and it
Yeah.
seemed like this looks like you loved making it.
right. The beauty is in the details.
Yes.
Taking the time. Yeah.
Every little wrinkle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
And
he
the
looks great.
ears, look how intricate the ears are. I mean, that's not just a repeating pattern,
Right.
kind of like you have on the trunk, but there's so much going on there.
Yeah, and the curve of his trunk, I love that too. Feels like he's in
Yeah.
motion. That little foot lifting off the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Well done, Bonnie.
Yeah.
Beautiful job. I hope you're so proud.
This piece is by Candace Osborne. She said, I decided to needle felt a giraffe, which took about 3 months to make. She was made using mainly MC1 and New Zealand Corriedale wool and stands about 14 inches high.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
That's impressive.
That's so impressive. I love the gradient in the legs.
I was just
like
thinking
the
the
white
same.
to the darker spots.
I love that, like the fur on his neck too.
Mhm.
It's just like perfectly giraffe, right? It's like cuts
Yes.
off right there.
Another great use for New Zealand.
Mhm.
I have to say those spots are just impeccable.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I mean, the shapes. It
Mhm.
had to take so much time to mosaic that together.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's truly beautiful, and I love how big the eyes are too. I feel like this is such a realistic giraffe, but
Mhm.
also it has something special to it.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Very sweet.
This piece is by Ellen Wayne. She says, "Hi to all. I just finished my recent tiger creation. It was a lot of work, but so fun bringing him to life. I just have to create a setting display for him. Maybe a natural wooden base and or tree. Thanks for letting me share."
Wow.
Thanks for sharing, Ellen. This is
Yeah.
beautiful.
Absolutely. Gosh, those stripes are just meticulous, aren't they?
Yeah.
And the coloring.
I love his little face. He seems like the sweetest tiger.
Yeah, he looks friendly.
He's friendly, yeah.
And those green eyes, they really pop.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I know. I just keep getting lost in his patterning and how long that must have taken. And I love like the orange transitions, has those little yellows in there.
Agreed.
Yeah, I think creating a setting for him will be very fitting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's beautiful, Ellen. A really inspiring piece for sure.
This Okapi is brought to us from Kelsey Plankenhorn. She says, "I made this vegan mount Okapi for a friend and I love this guy. He was made with 100% Living Felt wool, MC1, and mounted on a wood slice." Oh, so he's quite small.
Oh.
That's really cool.
Oh, interesting. So yeah, I see the wood slice back there. What great colors in this animal, huh?
Really well blended.
I love that you also included the bottom, like a little bit of the bottom half of this animal because it is so interesting.
I love his ears too.
Very
They're
cute.
so large.
Yeah, I didn't even know what an okapi looked like. The girls had to Google it for me. So I got to learn something new today. I love it.
It's beautiful and quite accurate too. We've discovered.
Very well felted.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Newsflash!
There's no show next week. I'm sorry.
But don't fret, everybody. There's going to be another Woolly Wednesday the first week of August. And we're going to be celebrating fall. So get out your pumpkins, get out your blankets. It's going to be warm over here. But we're still excited.
Yes, definitely. And right now, over at the school, over at feltingtutorials.com, we've got lots of fun animal classes for sale, like the macaw, the elephant. Go check them out, and you can see what we've got. And even though there's no show next week, we will still have things on sale, lots of very special deals, so be sure you're a part of our newsletter so you can get updated on all of that and our specials over at the school.
Thank you so much for joining us today, everyone. Please do leave some love for some of these great creations down below.
To see everything that we shared today, follow the link down below to today's episode page.
And if you're not sick of hanging out with us and you'd like to spend more time together, follow this link.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.